Two-step authentication, Facebook lost phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve if you have the login problem on Facebook and it's asking you to enter the code that is sent to your mobile number, but you just don't have access to that mobile number because you lost access to it. So how can you gain access back into your account? So you basically open up Facebook application here, and whenever you're trying to log in, it might actually, luckily, if instead of saying that it's going to send the code to the phone number, it might send to the code to one of the devices where your account is already logged in. So if your account is logged in on your computer, it might send a code or a notification on that computer, and then you might just want to try to approve it from there. Once you approve it, then you might most likely have access to your account. But if it keeps on sending you that code, basically when you try to log into that account, it will give you two-factor authentication problem. Then in that case, you can just try to select I don't have access to those, and when you say that you don't have access to those, you will be able to go ahead and then reset it, and then once done, you should be able to gain access back into your account. That's all it takes to go ahead and then solve if two-factor authentication problem exists but you don't have access to your phone. And this might work sometimes and might not also work for some of the people. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.